mathematicians. We are going to do our number today. Today's number is 3/5. You need to create an expression that equals 3/5. Use addition and or subtraction. You cannot use a denominator more than once. You cannot use fractions equivalent to 1. Go ahead and pause the video and try to make an expression that equals 3/5. All right, mathematicians, I hope you created some expressions. Maybe try to aim for 5 that equal 3/5. One example is 4/5 minus 1/5. See if I can do it. 4/5 minus 1/5. That would get me to 3/5. Give me a thumbs up if you were able to make that. I could use the inverse operation and say 3/5 plus 1/5 equals 4/5. A little plus sign there. That would also equal that. However, it was never stated that I had to use the same denominator. So another way to make 3/5, whoops, I need my pen back, would be, or could be, 4/5 minus 2/10 also equals 3/5. I could have also found an expression such as 2/10 plus 4/20 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. So if you found some of these more challenging ones, thinking about what would be equivalent to 1/5, I applaud you. If you kind of played it safe with some of those beginning ones where it was like 3 or 4/5 minus 1/5, thank you for thinking about those denominators. I encourage you to think a little bit differently the next time and use those equivalent fractions. When you're making your equations, think about how do you know this expression equals 3/5. For example, we talked about how all of these are equivalent to 1/5. So 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 would equal 3/5. And how do you decide which fractions to use? Like, why did I decide to use the 10 or the 20 instead of just fifth? Thank you for doing today's number.